Here we have a white noise machine with a power button right here. And if you press this button, it changes how long it will stay on for, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or indefinitely until you come turn it off. There are some nature noises and lullabies. My kid really likes this one. We've got some white noises over here. Some white noises over here. And volume up and volume down. I've never used this audio jack before for headphones. But then under here is the hole for the charger. And the charge can sometimes last a few nights if you use it all night long. Otherwise, it could last up to 3 weeks if you only use it for like 30 minutes at a time. But we really like it, and I've been using it for the past 9 months or so.